In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ChatGPT with GoHighLevel, a powerful tool that can really enhance your business automation. So let's dive right in and see how you can make the magic happen with just a few steps. First, we'll access the Workflows section in GoHighLevel. If you're not familiar with GoHighLevel, it's a comprehensive platform for marketing and CRM that offers a great array of tools to streamline your business processes. By integrating ChatGPT, you can leverage advanced AI-powered capabilities to improve your customer interactions and overall efficiency. Inside your GoHighLevel account, the first thing you want to do is navigate to the Automation tab. Here, you'll find the Workflows section, which is essentially the hub for creating automated processes that save time and reduce manual effort. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new workflow. This is where our journey begins. Now, you'll need to decide on a trigger to initiate this workflow. Triggers are events that set things into motion. You might choose Form Submitted if you want something to happen every time someone fills out a form on your site. Another common trigger is Customer Replied, which is perfect if you want to automate follow-ups each time a customer engages with you. You could also opt for Appointment Booked to automate processes related to scheduling, or Opportunity Changed to act on changes in your sales pipeline. Choosing the right trigger is crucial as it defines when and how your AI integration will kick in. Next up, let's add the GPT action to this workflow. You can do this by clicking on the plus Add Action button. In the list of actions that appears, select GPT powered by OpenAI. It's exciting to note that GoHighLevel now includes this native GPT integration directly within the workflows, making it seamless and much easier to add intelligent automation to your processes. Finally, you'll need to choose which AI model will power this integration. When selecting a model, you might see options like GPT-5, GPT-5 Mini, GPT-4o, GPT-4 Turbo, or GPT-4o Mini. The choice here largely depends on the specifics of your account and the plan you're on. Each model has different capabilities and processing powers, so make sure to choose one that aligns best with your needs. Some models offer full-fledged AI capabilities, while the miniature versions can be more efficient for tasks that require less processing power. And there you have it. We've just walked through setting up an integration with ChatGPT right inside GoHighLevel. By doing this, you're equipping yourself with a robust tool that enhances how you interact with clients and manage your workflow automation. Feel free to explore the functionality further and adjust your workflow settings as needed to tailor them to your specific business requirements. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your integration.